Welcome to HiBooks Add a Bill. There are three ways to add a bill. We can use the left-hand menu Accounts and Purchases. We can use the top menu New, and then we've got Bill, or we can go down the dashboard until we get to Purchases and add a new bill. We're going to use the left-hand menu, so we go to Accounts, Purchases, brings you up a list of all your purchases you've entered before. We're then going to go to Add Bill. First you choose your contact. You can add a new contact if you've not got one previously in the list, or you can just select one from your list. So I'm going to select that one. We add the bill number. We add the issue date and we're going to say it's today. And we add the due date and we're going to say it's the 31st. You can upload files at this point. You'll be uploading perhaps a scanned copy of the actual bill itself or a purchase order. Again, add save files allows you to add files that have already been saved to the system. Again, purchase orders, bills would be an example of this. We then go down and enter items for our purchase invoice or bill. We select the nominal account. I'm going to say goods in this case. We're going to description will be goods because it's obviously purchases. Quantity, we're going to edit that number if we want, but I'm not going to leave that the same. We then enter our unit costs. We then can choose our VAT rate. As you see there, so we've got all the VAT rates. So we can go down and choose no VAT rate all the way down, but I'm actually going to use 20% expenses. And you can see it's automatically calculated the VAT amount. So it's got the net amount, the VAT total, and the total. At this point, we can cancel it if we don't want to keep it. We can save as draft. So as if it's saved to draft, it won't be actually posted, but it will be there ready for someone else to approve. Or as I'm going to do, we can save and approve. Okay, once it's saved and approved, you can then see the details in the system. I'm going to produce a PDF of this. We can edit it, change the amounts. Just going to go back to save again. The other actions we have are we can copy it, we can add a credit note to it, we can archive it and delete it. And finally, at the bottom, we can add the payment details. That's how we've paid it. So the date, the payment method, the bank account, and the amount. Now, normally we wouldn't be doing this if we were entering our payments via the bank feeds, because that would obviously bring it in automatically. You might be doing that if you're paying via cash, but otherwise you probably won't do that. Okay, we then go back to our purchases list at the top. We can see that one appears right at the top, supplier 2, and you can see it's appearing as unpaid. We can also add recurring bill. I'll just show you the difference quickly with this. The main difference is being that you can add a duration, a frequency, and a start date. All the other items are exactly the same. Again, going back to add a credit note, which is supplier credit note at the bottom there. All the details and entries are exactly the same, except that you don't have a due date, because obviously you're not going to pay it. So, in summary, that is how you add a bill to HiBooks.